Hey Colorado, if you're in a motor vehicle wreck, you might be wondering what kind of damages can you recover? Well, there's typically three types of damages. The first one is economic damages. This is what's quantifiable. This includes those mounting medical bills that are coming in the mail. This includes the pay stubs showing your lost wages or no wages coming in at all. It also is all the bills and receipts that you're getting from the pharmacies for prescriptions or maybe for supplies such as crutches and wheelchairs, adhesives, ointments. And also it's the invoices for your vehicle from the mechanic shops or rental agreements that you had to do. Those are all the quantifiable numbers that you want to keep track of, and that is economic damages. There's no cap on that in Colorado. You'll be able to recover any amount of economic damages that you may have associated with a motor vehicle wreck. Next topic is non-economic damages. This is what people associate with pain and suffering. It's the emotional and psychological harm we have from not being able to do basic activities of daily living that we once were able to do before our injuries. So think of everything from waking up in the morning, going to the bathroom, making and preparing food, putting on clothes, walking our dog. Because of your injuries, these activities may be more difficult or nearly impossible. You may even have to have family members come and do it for you. This affects our emotions. This affects our dignity, our ability to take care of ourselves. It may cause anxiety, sleeplessness, and depression as a result for not being able to do these basic activities. That is what's called non-economic damages. Now it's subjective. It's based on our experiences. So being able to give detailed stories of what you went through is the best way to prove this. Now it's important to note that non-economic damages, this pain and suffering, is capped in Colorado. There's only so much that you can recover from. Separate from that is two types of non-economic damages that are not capped in Colorado. That's physical impairment and disfigurement. Physical impairment can be established from a medical doctor that gives you an impairment rating, basically saying that there is a injury that is going to be with you for the long term, if not the rest of your life, and it's going to impair you to a certain degree. Disfigurement is a physical manifestation of the wreck that is going to be visible to people that see you. This can be established from photographs showing the healing process. Maybe after surgery associated with the wreck, you're now going to have a visible scar that people are going to see for the rest of your life. And that, of course, can have an effect on your psychological harm. Those are not capped in Colorado. And the last one is punitive damages. Punitive damages is meant to punish the driver, the driver's employer. To prove punitive damages, you basically have to show wanton or willful misconduct from the at-fault driver. The most common ways are just the most egregious conduct of the driver, such as driving under the influence, hit and run, excessive speeding, and stuff of that nature. To prove punitive damages, it's really important to just get all the facts and circumstances associated with how the wreck actually occurred. The police are going to be able to issue a crash report with their investigative findings. You can also ask for the complete investigative folder for them, which is going to include witness statements, 911 calls, property damage photos, any supplemental reports. That's important to get as well. If it's a driving under the influence case, there will be a criminal case that's probably also created and that you can track through the criminal court system. By getting that criminal case, it's really important because you'll get a probable cause statement. They'll talk about what the driver's blood alcohol level. All these things are important to proving punitive damages in the wanton and willful misconduct of that fault driver. For more information about the damages that you could recover from and your rights as a consumer on the roadway, go to hntriallaw.com/guidebooks for more information.